everybody, I am making my chocolate chip cookies made out of Hershey's Kisses. So we have to take all of these wrappers off. I used to make these cookies years ago when I was younger. So I want to make some for tomorrow, Thanksgiving, but these are Christmas cookies also. So what you're going to need is the butter flavored Crisco. You need some vanilla flavor, baking soda, flour, all-purpose flour, and some brown sugar, salt, which I forgot to get. So you need some salt. What else am I missing? We need vanilla, milk, salt, flour, baking soda. We got our chocolate chips. This is our chocolate chips right here. So we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies with Hershey's Kisses, and these are so good. So stay tuned.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. time I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
here's our cookies. They are done. This is what they look like when they're done. I gotta make some more, but this is the first batch of cookies.